Hey, baby Tate.
Come on.
This is a big old snowstorm.
Come on, buddy.
Got like, I don't know if you can tell perspective.
Let's act like we're snowboarding.
The snow's like almost as tall as Taylor here.
Yeah, it is. It's 20 inches. I just measured it.
20 inches on the deck.
Daddy's got a little music in his ear. Come on. What do you want to do?
What do you think? He's been eating a little bit of it.
Here, ready? Zoom in on this. 22.
Yep. It's hard to tell in here. I mean, I could see the number, but...
22 inches right here. 22!
So, hopefully your little sister's not going to be born like tonight or tomorrow. Because we might have some trouble getting out.
Yeah, we predicted this, like...
Here, help me up. Oh, and I can't squat anymore.
No.
Get up by myself.
Alright. Let's not get this... It's just pouring.
Wow, it is dumping snow right now. I don't know if you can... You can't really tell on here, I don't think, but... Keith shoveled the driveway.
What?
Keith shoveled the driveway earlier, but you can't even tell looking on here.
No, you could tell when you look with the naked eye.
Yeah.
But no, it's hard to tell.
We're having a big old spring, April.
Taylor, you're 14 months, buddy, and this is the biggest storm you've been through so far. What do you think? Come on,
You
let's
like
walk.
it? It's probably hard to walk in those with the...
Huh?
He's got some boots on he's never worn. And he still has his pajamas on. It's a pajama day, so those are a little different than socks.
Oh, yeah.
Is this snow?
What do you think? Come here. Come walk to Daddy. You like it. Look, this is how we snowboard. Look. We get our legs like this, and we come down. Yeah. We're going to snowboard in a couple years. I should be snowboarding now. I should be snowboarding. But I can't. And I got a baby coming. I mean, who knows when? So Daddy's got to stay close. That's all right.
He keeps telling me that Taylor can help me with Aspen's birth if it's gone.
Taylor is totally old enough to help with Aspen's birth.
There you go. You want to walk? This is snow.
Be nice if you had an umbrella.
Yeah. We probably have one somewhere. I have no idea where. The dogs are loving it. They never play. Winnie doesn't like to play with Bailey. Oh. Whoa. Keith's trying to put a towel over me, but Bailey got excited.
Watch out, Bailey. No. Let's keep this protected.
Trying to protect the video camera from the snow.
Bailey! No!
It's soaking wet.
No! She doesn't know what to think of it.
Are you eating the snow that's coming down? You got it on your eyelashes.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that snow?
It's snow. You like the snow. You better. You live in Colorado, baby.
He's like, I'm stuck in this big old...
Back up a little. Ready? Let's do it. Daddy's got tunes in his ear. Got a little Martin Sexton kicking. It's beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna get 3-4 feet easily. Yeah.
Look at Winnie.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not even cold.
Look at Winnie. She's digging in the snow. Loosen it up for Dad, then he doesn't have to shovel so hard.
Oh, you're heavy.
What are the dogs doing, Bailey? Or Taylor?
Taylor, what are the dogs doing? Let's show you how much is over here. Has it been on?
No, now it is.
Oh.
No, it was going off. Bailey, what are you barking at? Winnie's got herself wiggled in there.
I should take a picture of the... See, this guy's plowing. Or he was.
Wow.
Well, maybe
They
he
haven't
was
plowed our streets, I guess.
What?
Did they not? They didn't plow at all? Or did they plow early?
Well, I mean, I think they plowed early. Yeah, I know they did. Otherwise, there would have been a foot. Winnie, is that fun? This is definitely the heaviest, coming down hard. What do you think, Terry? Wanna walk? Want to snowboard? Look, go like this. Ready?
Is that cold on your face?
No. No. I like the cold. Well, should Daddy get back to shoveling?
Bailey, she just keeps getting a coat of snow on her back. And she shakes it off and it fills up again.
All right, say goodbye.
Bye, Taylor.
Bye. Wait, bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye. It's coming down hard, Tay. Daddy's going to be shoveling again at 12 tonight.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, man.
Hang on, Aspen. You gotta wait till Sunday or Monday at the earliest.
Yeah, Aspen, it's Daddy. Please hang on till Sunday. We really don't want to have to go down in this. Otherwise, we're going to have a home birth. Mommy did want a home birth, so you might get a home birth, Aspen. This is some rough. This is some snow. But you'll hang on till Sunday. Right? Might have to hire Dane to come and shovel.